Stop scrolling. If you want your Thanksgiving table to look like a Pinterest masterpiece without spending a fortune or even a dime, I'm about to show you exactly how to recreate high-end, designer-level tablescapes using thrifted finds, free items from your yard, and yes, even dollar store pieces. The hard work's already done. You're about to see table setups ranging from full-on elegant to super budget-friendly, and all of them are doable. Creating a classy, cozy, and welcoming Thanksgiving table doesn't have to cost a lot of money, or any money at all. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a variety of setups, starting with the most elaborate and working all the way down to a dollar store display. You can recreate any of these tablescapes with just a little ingenuity and without breaking the bank. Use found items from around the house, thrifted treasures, which are often a fraction of the original cost, or check out my Amazon shopping link in the description. I've curated almost every product shown in this video, and I even added similar items from other stores like Walmart and more for your convenience. Even if you don't plan on purchasing anything, it's still incredibly helpful as a visual lookbook to guide your style, color scheme, or theme for Thanksgiving. Everything is organized by color, Pinterest style, for quick inspiration. The key elements of a great Thanksgiving tablescape are natural elements like wood, pumpkins, flowers, pine cones, ceramics, and metals. Layering, such as stacking plates, using a tablecloth, table runner, and napkins paired with napkin rings. Centerpiece designs, starting with a base and adding pieces for that bountiful harvest look. Sometimes you only need to look around your home to find the right decorative elements. You'd be surprised how much you can repurpose from your surroundings. Don't be afraid to mix and match. It adds fun and will spark comments from your guests. Remember, you don't have to buy fake pumpkins, flowers, or leaves. If you have the budget, great. If not, go on a little treasure hunt and have fun curating what you already have. Let's start with the fanciest finds. Mix and match delicate leaf and floral patterned ceramic tableware like teacups, saucers, and plates. I found pieces like these for as little as 25 cents to 50 cents at yard sales and thrift stores. You might already have some in your home. Here, Cozy Corners combines mix and match plates with full natural centerpiece displays. If you don't have a garden, you can purchase low-cost flowers online or locally. This display uses a striking purple color scheme with contrasting green, gold, and white elements. Pro tip: create fullness in your centerpiece by gathering ornamental plants like pampas grass and mixing in a few roses or flowers. Don't like the color? Add a burst of gold paint. You can even make your own flowers from tissue paper, crepe paper, even money or toilet paper. I'll link some of my DIY tutorials if you want to give that a try. You can play with pink and gold, gold and white, or neutral colors with plenty of foliage. A common theme in all of these setups is layering dishes. At this time of year, it's all about abundance. Layering plates, even wood, ceramic, plastic, or paper, takes the table to the next level. If your budget allows, add a hammered copper piece or two. You can often find them cheap at thrift stores. Otherwise, online they range from $15 to $35 on up. Other elements that elevate the table: wood trays, bowls, or wreaths as bases, woven placemats, or DIY them from paper bags, adding dark brown and cream brush strokes for natural texture, gold-rimmed glasses and plates from thrift shops, a bowl of apples or pomegranates for a harvest vibe, and you can eat them later. Food as decor. Handmade muffins topped with nuts look irresistible. Don't bake? Grab some mini muffins at the store and add powdered sugar. Cinnamon sticks and sprigs of greenery add a cozy gourmet touch. Centerpieces can be as simple as a basket of flowers or a painted pumpkin to match your dishes. Rich color combinations like blues, reds, and golds feel regal, while reddish-purple tones create depth. If you want elegance but slightly simplified, matching placemats can add unity and a spark of color. Don't have them? Use pine sprigs from your yard. Start centerpieces with a wooden dough bowl and add jars, leaves, wreaths, candles, oversized acorns, and even wood beads if you want. Mini centerpieces can be added for a longer table, like this gold leaf bowl with a bent twig pumpkin placed on top and added fairy lights. Lone Fox also uses a wooden bread bowl in his table layout layered with glass containers of water and flowers. This is an inexpensive, high-class option. Napkins tied with twine, mini pumpkins, and candles instantly raise the vibe. Table runners unify the look. You can DIY with any fabric. Layer everything intentionally, that's the key. Place cards with hand-drawn names, faux or real leaves, and unique faces show attention to detail. At Home in the Heartland shows a fun, eclectic approach. Combine items you already have with thrifted curiosities. Layered dishes, again, oversized acorns, ceramic birds, nests, wood bowls, candle pedestals, and feathers. Use natural elements, different textures, and heights to create interest. Recycle, reuse, repurpose. Thrifted goblets for $1, a box of ceramic dishes for $5, or even free dishes from Facebook Marketplace groups. Candles as take-home gifts are a small appreciated touch. Layering is key. Cloth, large structural element, swag, pumpkin, decorative pieces, berries, plates, feathers, it all works together. Finally, let's talk dollar store and DIY decor. Start with your table as a base. It can be hand-me-down, roughed up, or rustic like Davy's table shown here. Table runners work if you don't have a full tablecloth. Choose colors you love, bright fall tones or neutral shades like tans, golds, wheat, ivory, white, and clear. Central lanterns or cake pedestals, pumpkins, pine cones, and plastic chargers elevate the scene. Heavier objects feel classier, so if you can find the real deal, go for it. Intentional placement is everything, even if the items are inexpensive. Safety tip: heat pine cones in the microwave to kill bugs. Watch carefully, don't burn your house down. You can experiment with different layouts, napkins with leaves, mini gourds, or place settings that show thoughtfulness. Real or handmade items work beautifully. So, which style will you explore this year? Let us know your favorite color combinations and what you plan to do for this Thanksgiving. How much do you plan to spend on your table design? Can you stick to your budget? I hope that you've enjoyed all of these Thanksgiving tablescape ideas, from extravagant to laid back and fun. I hope they've sparked your creativity and shown that you can have a spectacular table without breaking the bank. Wishing you a happy Thanksgiving. Stay cozy, intentional, and blessed always. Thanks for watching The Classy Cheapskate.